still echoing in my prayers. Now ufamo moya promises we never kept, while I was carrying love alone. I would have feel uloto like it was home, even when you were already gone. Waula gonna le feel muy far for, but inside my heart was torn. Tata toya suya luloto somehow, believe in love could make you stay. Hey, alofa tu atasi etigaina, when only one is brave enough to fight. Now Ni Mo'omooga Faivavale I was holding on to, dreams that slowly broke my soul. I loved you deeper than you noticed, while you were letting go. Now Ni Mo'omooga Faivavale running through mine, hoping you turn around. Esaya fili ilulava ala, and left my heart on the ground. It was pure and true, but I lost myself trying to keep you. Wow, fight it for your comfort, pretending I was strong enough. Now what I iluma utagata, acting like I'm fine. I oloi matasa na tiaipo uma. Wow, ilone eleole alofa, when pain becomes your only sign. Now Ni Mo'omooga Faivavale I kept believing in fixing things you never tried to say. I was drowning in your silence while you walked away. Faivavale I call love, but love should never feel this small. I fire monilo loto, it wouldn't hurt at all. Waule lava ile tagi for someone who won't see the value that lives in me. Uteleto ayoy molo alofa, I'm choosing peace instead of pain. I fire to solo my foul someday. No, my love was real. I was avaline ilo lavala, learning how to heal. Now Ni Mo'omooga Faivavale that shaped my heart, but they taught me how to grow. I release you with forgiveness, so my spirit can let go. Now Ni Mo'omooga Faivavale now fading away as I stand stronger than before. Uteto fili aulava, and I won't break anymore. Wow, tuwe ile atua tonight, and I finally feel okay. Now Ni Mo'omooga Faivavale, but they won't control me again.